Hey guys, it's Katie from Cerebrium Studio, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can transform any video into a semi-vertical video. This may be essential if you initially filmed a video with a particular social media platform in mind that uses a different aspect ratio such as YouTube or Twitch, and now you need to convert this video into a semi-vertical aspect ratio so that it can be appropriate for Facebook, which uses a semi-vertical aspect ratio. Well, Cerebrium Studio's video editor saves you heaps of time by transforming any video that you upload into multiple different aspect ratios that can all be used on multiple different social media platforms. Let's see how you can very easily do this using cerebrium.com. You can open up your browser and search Cerebrium and go to cerebrium.com. Then you log into your account. You can get a 2-week free trial with Cerebrium, so don't worry about this at all, as you can test out the software first. You can then upload your video that you would like to transform into a semi-vertical video. Select all of the video that you would like to edit using the purple box cropper tool shown here. So the really interesting and unique thing about this video editor in particular is that you can use it to create multiple aspect ratios for your social media channels. So you can upload any video in any aspect ratio and the software will create multiple different aspect ratios, all of which are appropriate for any social media channel. So whether that's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitch, Facebook, Twitter. To transform a video to a semi-vertical video, you can select one of the social media icons along the bottom row here to make the sizing appropriate for whichever social media platform you need it for. So if you click on the Facebook icon, for example, these are the dimensions required for this platform, and you can select how you would like your video to be transformed and exactly the semi-vertical sizing that is required for what you need. Once you've transformed the size of your video, simply click on Make at the top right once you're happy. You will then be taken to the video editing page where you can make any additional edits to your video that you so wish. Once you're happy with any edits or changes that you've made here, click on the preview button on the upper right hand corner and you're then taken to this page where you can download as many versions of your video as you need, and it will be emailed directly to the email associated with your Cerebrium account. As I mentioned previously, Cerebrium does offer a 2-week free trial, so definitely go ahead, check out the free trial. I'll leave all of the link that you need down in the description box below. Give the software a try, let us know your feedback, and let us know if you have any questions whatsoever. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I'll see you in the next one.